In this video, we're going to go over el Tirador, son jalisciense for violin 1. Key of G, 1 sharp. Keep in mind, we do have a couple accidentals with slurs. A slur or a tie. So right here is a slur because we're going from a D to a D flat. So that's what makes it a slur. If it's a tie, it's when it's a D with the regular D natural. Here we go. Beginning slowly. 1, 2, 3. And that's it. We'll do it again a little bit slower. 1, 2, 3. Next part, intermedio. A little tricky, a lot of triads, which means you're playing 3-degree notes. So B, G, and then you have B, A, F, A is another triad. So let's try that really slow. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. All right, a couple things. Instead of G, G, we're going to do a G, F sharp G, just how it's displayed here. This is going to be an F, 2 8 notes with that half note, with that quarter note, I mean. Apologize. So here we go again. Intermedio 25, 2, 3. Next part. Right, and again, 29 goes 2, 3. Alright. Next part, we're going to modulate on 41 to the key of C, so that it becomes natural. For this part here on 41, we're gonna give a little 8 note. It's called grace notes. So it's a note that exists but has no value. So it's a quick note. So it's gonna go, right? And you're gonna want to do an F sharp there, not an F natural. F sharp. So it's gonna go. Alright, so again that goes. Next part. And again, those slurs is going to be 1 bow for 2 notes. So it's going to go. Alright. So to play it all, it's going to go. And that's it. The ending is going to go 49, 2, 3. Short. And that's it. 8 notes short. Hold that out. More like a fermata. You wait for the director. Feel free to double stop, which means play all the notes. Put your finger on B as well with G. And use it all. Use all those strings.